Welcome to Safar AI Stories, your journey to better English. These stories are designed to help you improve your English skills. The Perfect Picnic Plan is a story that follows Mia and her cousin Luke as they organize a picnic for their family. So grab a cup of coffee and let's start our story.
Mia and her cousin Luke are planning a family picnic for Sunday afternoon. They are excited, but they know they must organize everything carefully, Mia says while writing a list.
We are going to meet at the park at noon. Shall we bring a big blanket or a few small ones, she asks.
Luke thinks for a moment.
I will bring 2 big blankets, that way everyone can sit together.
Good idea. I may also bring a couple of foldable chairs for Grandma and Grandpa.
They start talking about food.
I am going to prepare sandwiches and a fruit salad.
I will bake some muffins tonight. They might not look perfect, but they will taste good.
Do not worry, Luke. Homemade muffins will be better than anything from a store.
Luke asks,
Shall we bring a cooler with drinks?
Yes, definitely. It might get very warm and we will need cold water and juice.
Later, they talk about activities for the younger kids.
I am going to bring a football and some board games.
I may organize a small treasure hunt too, but I might not have enough time to prepare it.
It is okay if you cannot. We will just play games instead.
Finally, they check the weather forecast.
Oh no, it might rain in the evening.
That is okay. We are going to set up near the covered pavilion just in case.
No matter what, we will have a wonderful time.